episode, I'm going to teach you how to ripen bananas in no time. Fruits such as apples and bananas ripen when the big starch molecules turn into sugar. But let's face it, that takes a while, and banana bread waits for no molecule breakdown. So with this quick tip, you can get bananas ripened in a matter of minutes. You just need bananas, a tray, soap pad or parchment paper will work, and a working oven, and that's it. You place them in your tray like this, and you bake them at 350 for 5 to 7 minutes depending, but you keep an eye on them until they turn brown. You'll notice. Okay, so after our 7 to 10 minutes really have passed, this is what you're looking for. You see how they turned into some delicious ripened bananas? We're just gonna wait for them to cool down a little bit so you can see what's on the inside. Of course, please do note that this does not necessarily give the same flavor profile as that of a naturally ripened banana. But if you're in a hurry and you really want to satisfy those cravings, this works. But again, I'm more of the type of girl to wait for it to ripen naturally. But you know, this is just a little quick tip that works, okay? Let's just wait for it to cool down, although I'm anxious to see. Oh, hold on. I should have caught this before, but I forgot. And then now, oh. There you go. And then, with the help of a spoon, you scoop it out. And you do the same with the other ones. And oof, it's hot. Yeah, be careful. Have patience when I don't have, and you shall prevail and not burn yourself. And then here you go. It does not look appetizing, but it sure is delicious. And now you have that perfectly ripe banana ready for your pancake, your bread, your cake, your ice cream, whatever. So there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.